that rock up there, Thor?
Touch the rocks, as they say. This on here. Lovely. Proper jobby. That's the setup. Not going mad today, but got a few beers and some crack and coffee. And as you can see behind me, Martin's here. Martin Hornsey. So I'll leave what are they called? Barcodes, scan codes of his Instagram. Check out his Instagram. I'm telling you now, best pictures ever. But yeah, old Thorio's, I think he's gone to sleep for a bit. Just tucked his son in. But yeah, rocking with same as usual. I'm not going to bore you with that because I say it all the time, but just look at this view, look. I mean, look at that. Absolutely stunning. We've had to drop down a bit because it's quite windy up at tops. So we've dropped down into this little cove bit. It's just perfect. Good view. Not get bored of that, will ya? Well, yeah. Just gonna chill for a minute and see where at night takes us. I think Martin's getting some food on, so I've just bought some adventure food and 2 sausage rolls because I'm dangerous. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a good one. Living the dream, as they say. Bit chilly though. Look at that, eh? Don't get much better than that, does it? Mega. Proper jobby. his food. He's just been barking at me. Very demanding sausage. Hey mate. Testing the low light capabilities on the old camera. Let me just spin this round. I mean, it is quite dark, but that's not bad, to be fair. I'll show you now what it actually looks like on just normal camera. I mean, there's a big difference, isn't there? So, yeah. Thumbs up for Ace Pro 2. That's what I'm saying. That's loads better. So we'll be able to get some more footage. Better footage, shall I say. But man, look at this. That is just perfect. And we're perched here. Glorious. Look at that. Domes away from homes. Martin's up there taking pictures. So we're both retreated back to tent at minute. We're gonna make some food, have a bite to eat. It is a bit brisk, but it's not too bad. I've been out in colder, I suppose. But yeah, today's meal is, I don't even know, pasta and salmon. Just an adventure food. Let's see how that goes. It's been a lovely old do though, I'll tell you that. Cheers. But yeah, I'll pop some food on now. Victoria's gone back to sleep for a bit. So yeah, I'll check back to you shortly. I don't think I've tried this one yet, to be fair. So we'll see how this one tastes. I'll seal it back up for a minute. How long does it take? 10 minutes. So for 10 minutes it's going to be my personal hand warmer. Ooh. Bit too warm for an hand warmer. If I put my gloves on, it should be alright, shouldn't it? So how's everyone been diddling? Alright? Or what? Leave down in comments what you've been doing since I've been absent. Not really been able to get a video out because I ended up selling my GoPro and then obviously getting this new camera. So I should be able to knock a few more videos out now, hopefully. Even if it's just days out woods or something. Doing bits and bobs. Doesn't always have to be a camp out, does it? A few cook-ups and stuff like that, I think. Sounds good to me, especially summer's right corner, so should be a good one. Big shout out to Martin for letting us come for this mini expedition. Yeah, I've loved it so far. It's been mega. Like that view earlier, sun going down, that break in clouds. We didn't think we were going to get it, but we ended up getting it. Ray corker. Oh. But yeah, I'm just going to chill for a minute now and just wait until this is done. So I'll check back to you shortly when this is ready, and then I can scoff my face and slop my chops in front of the camera. Everyone loves a bit of that, don't they? I mean, I look back at one of my videos once and I was slopping my chops and I thought, you fucking scruffy bastard. Not be doing that again, hopefully. But yeah. Love you and leave you there for a minute. So we'll see what this is like now. It's been about 10 minutes. Ooh. They don't look too bad, that. Got little salmon chunks and tomato chunks in it. Lovely. Look at that. Fresh. Nice and warm and all. Oh yes. I like that bolognese and all. Not bad. First time me having this one. I'd get a solid 8 out of 10. Just because I haven't bought that much food with me, but great. Lovely, isn't it? Orio's in his little makeshift sleeping bag. Is in me old down jacket, nice and tucked away. So yeah, I'm gonna say, if nothing tragic or horrible happens, we'll see you on the morrow. Good night. Good morning, campers. Bit frosty on outside at 10. Oh. That's beautiful, that, isn't it? And also, I think the sun's coming over brow of them rock faces. Yeah, it was lovely last night. Had a decent sleep. Let's bring it a bit closer. Yeah, had a decent sleep. Thought I decided to jump in sleeping bag with me this early hours this morning. But yeah, lovely stuff. I think Martin's just getting up now, I don't know, but yeah, not too bad. Just look at that view, look at it, don't get old, look at it. Look at it, I get excited. That is stunning, isn't it? Proper stunning. Oh yeah. Gonna sit and chill for a minute and get a brew on soon, I think. Because it is still a bit nippy. Just a little bit. Look at that. Water's froze up a bit. See it? Frozen water. Didn't notice that till a minute ago. Decent. Ugh. Sis! Here! Thor's trying to eat all Martin's food. Being a little shit. Come on, get in here. Come on. You can stay in here a minute. Be a good lad. Get your scent tucked in. There we go. Don't bring a Dachshund to a sausage party. Frozen shards. Not a good day, is it? No, you stay there. Warm the old bones up, kid. Hey. I don't know where the spoon is, but I'm just going to use this. Okay. I'm not scared. Lovely. What do you want in it? Task. That's how cold it is. Water started to freeze up. I only poured that in about 10 minutes ago. Arr. Thorio's off. Arr. Go on then. Look at the sky. Beautiful, isn't it? Doesn't get much better than that. So, literally just having some breakfast in a minute. Had a brew. Breakfast is ice cold. Sausage roll. That's all you're gonna get. Probably get heartburn later. Probably job here. What a view this is. Just can't stop looking. You want to have another look? Yeah, look. great, isn't it? It's great. I don't know why I've got this on anymore. Yeah. It's freezing, mind. That's your lot for this one. As always, leave no trace, just a bit of flat grass and a few spunk patches. Cause that view don't get old. Lovely job. Gonna make our way down there now. Off we goes. Ice crystals. Ever colder than last night. Up there. Look at that. Special, that, isn't it? Yeah. That's mega. So, where you come from? All the way up there, and right on the back. Great knee buster. All them stony paths going all the way down, all the way up, and then up to the top. And then it just kept on going. Good journey that. Not bad at all. Not bad. Yeah. I'm gonna go down into Keswick now and have a bite to eat. Get some food for the next trip. Where we're going, I don't know. I'll just let Farting Martin find that out. But yeah, glorious round here. Can't beat it. Thorio's done well as well. Keeps barking at folks, so I'll put him back on lead.